Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the crying filter or the tears filter in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. Here slide right until you find selfies. Okay, in selfies remember this image in the second row. This is the filter. Tap on it and I'm already crying. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this crying filter or tears filter in TikTok, and suppose you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover and you can search for tears filter. Here you will see video with this effect. Okay, all of these video are not with this effect, but like this one. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see this effect icon. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can directly use the filter from there also. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this crying filter or tears filter in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.